At the moment, the longest nonstop commercial flight is operated by Singapore Airlines between Singapore and New York using an Airbus A350-900ULR. Coming at mid-2026, there should be a new flight to take the title of the world's longest nonstop service. In case you didn't already know, it's going to be Qantas's service from London to Sydney. The Australian carrier has been working on this for quite some time under the name Project Sunrise. Project Sunrise is focused on regular, direct, long-haul services and actually encompasses more than just flying between Sydney and London. In fact, Project Sunrise also includes possible routes such as Brisbane to Paris and Melbourne to New York. Before the pandemic, Qantas had already completed 3 research flights between Australia, the UK, and the US. The first research flight was conducted in November 2019 using a Boeing 787-9 and took 19 hours and 19 minutes. During the flight, the airline tested pilot performance as well as passenger comfort and well-being on board. While the Dreamliner has served Qantas well, a larger aircraft was desired for Project Sunrise flights. The airline eventually picked the Airbus A350-1000 over its American rival, the Boeing 777X. However, the A350 will need to be modified with an extra fuel tank if it's going to cover those extra long distances. Qantas initially ordered 12 A350s in 2022, but added another 12 in 2023 for Project Sunrise. In early 2023, the airline finally unveiled first and business class cabins for its future A350-1000 fleet. To make these upcoming ultra long-haul flights more bearable, Qantas worked with an Australian industrial design studio as well as with sleep scientists from the University of Sydney. Various aviation experts also contributed to the design process that first began more than 6 years ago. So what's the interior like? Well, we know that the A350-1000s will have a low-density configuration. While this type of aircraft can carry more than 300 passengers under normal circumstances, Qantas has opted to fit its jets with just 238 seats. This includes 6 first-class suites and another 52 in business class. In addition to the extra space afforded by this low seat count, the aircraft will also be fitted with a dedicated well-being area. The first-class suites aim to replicate the boutique hotel experience and will have an extra-wide fixed bed, a separate lounge recliner, a personal wardrobe, a dining table for 2, and a 32-inch ultra-high-definition TV screen. Business-class seats will all boast direct aisle access and sliding doors for enhanced privacy. Other features include a 2-meter-long lie-flat bed, a cushioned leather ottoman, and an 18-inch TV screen. The premium economy cabin seating will have an 8-inch wing privacy headrest that adjust for maximum comfort and a calf rest for full leg cradling. Economy seats will have a 33-inch pitch, with passengers getting a 13.3-inch entertainment touchscreen with Bluetooth audio connectivity. Project Sunrise flights were initially scheduled for takeoff in 2023. However, in February 2024, it was announced that there would be a delay in the delivery of the Airbus A350-1000s, which are central to the project. Qantas was expecting the first of 24 A350-1000s to start arriving in 2025, but the airline confirmed deliveries would not begin until mid-2026. What do you think of Qantas's Project Sunrise? Would you be up for spending over 20 hours in an aircraft? Or would you prefer to have a stopover somewhere in the middle? Leave a comment below to let us know. AeroTime is a global, multi-channel, digital, and professional hub, providing news, events, and advisory services to the aviation world. Be sure to subscribe to our newly relaunched YouTube channel and follow us on social media to get the latest aviation news.